Hello everyone, good afternoon. I hope you all can hear me and see me. Hello everyone, hello. We will definitely try to recover your losses. Let's just wait for Arpit sir to join in. Arpit sir, I've sent you a request to join. I hope you all can hear me. Please write yes in the chat. You can hear me.
Coach, I'm just setting up the frame. I'll just open. My voice is audible.
Yes, sir. You are clearly audible and visible as well.
Great. Just give me a minute. I'm just setting up the frame. So we'll just connect in a minute.
Sure. And guys, this is the last Bank Nifty session. After that, we are going to do some changes and then plan the session accordingly for the next week. सारे sessions आपको Friday तक scheduled मिलेंगे on Stockholm. For the people joining us on different platforms, I like to mention कि जो भी हमारे queries होंगे, we'll be taking them through Stockholm. So do join Stockholm. It is our exclusive community of investors and traders. And I guess we are all set. Let me do the introductions and then we are good to go. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anuj Sharma. I am your community manager and the bridge between you and our expert. Every day we have a different expert and a different session. Afternoon session आज बैंक निफ्टी का है तो we are going to focus on that and hoping for a profitable session. Today for the bank nifty expiry we have Mr. Arpit Beriwal with us who will be taking the session forward. If we don't see any good momentum and if we don't have any good opportunity, then we will be taking up some stock queries or else we'll focus entirely on our expiry session. So Arpit sir, we are all set. You can start the session.
Sure. Very good afternoon, guys. Today, if we say today it's Bank Nifty weekly last expiry, I'm probably generally Bank Nifty instrument. Just want to brief it. This is one of the major instrument that introduced us to the option world and how volatile and destructive this instrument can be on both the sides. We have seen in last number of years. Today is a classical day. We are seeing terrific momentum, terrific volatility in broader market in Nifty, Bank Nifty, and broader indices. So, as Anuj already mentioned, today being the last weekly expiry, now the focus will be shifted on monthly expiry for Bank Nifty. But as we know, right now is an opportunity. Whatever opportunity we have to make the most of it, and we'll try to play on that. So, without wasting anything, I'll just start first focus on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, yesterday we have seen a breakdown below 51,000 levels. So let me just pull up the chart. Just want to confirm, Anuj, the chart is visible?
Yes, sir. We can see the Nifty 50, Nifty Bank Index right now.
Perfect. Yeah. So if we see over there, yesterday, I'll just open up the daily chart first. Yesterday, almost in last 15-20 days, Bank Nifty was trading in a range between 51,000 to 52,200. Yesterday, they gave a breakdown, and today we have seen a follow-up selling. In the first hour, we seen a massive selling of 500 points. Post that, थोड़ा सा cool off हुआ, consolidate किया, and now as we are just heading towards this session in last 15 minutes, we have seen another breakdown of almost 350-400 points in Bank Nifty from 5,600 to 5,200. So let me just open up the intraday charts because there is terrific swings, terrific momentum. So first we'll try to focus on the trade setup and the levels wise. So if you see, this is the intraday chart for Bank Nifty. ये 15-20 मिनट पहले ही 50,800 चल रहा था बैंक निफ्टी और पिछले कुछ देर में ही हमने 500 से 600 पॉइंट की गिरावट देखी है बैंक निफ्टी में. And that is an instrument that is known for its volatility. So level wise, since morning we are playing on the bias is negative side, put side. जो भी बाउंस आ रहा है हम उसको मंदी में ही प्ले कर रहे हैं. एंड नाउ इन लास्ट 15 मिनट्स वी हैव सीन अनदर ब्रेकडाउन ऑन इंट्राडे चार्ट्स. सो बायस इज नेगेटिव. लेवल्स के बारे में बात करें तो थोड़े बड़े लेवल्स हो जाएंगे बिकॉज काफी एक बड़ा शार्प डाउनटिक हमने देखा है. Immediate basis पे if I see on intraday basis, as we have couple of screens around 50,400, 50,500 is the hurdle zone for Bank Nifty. 50,350, 50,400. I'll repeat, 50,350, 50,400 is the hurdle zone for Bank Nifty. नीचे में 50,000 का सपोर्ट है. सो हमारा बायस नेगेटिव रहेगा. कोई भी एक बार बाउंस आता है तो हम बाउंस का वेट करेंगे और उसके लिए ट्रेड सेटअप के लिए प्ले आउट करेंगे. सो फॉर दैट I'll tell over the levels. 50,350, 50,400 is the hurdle zone on intraday basis. नीचे में support है 50,000, 150,000 का. So for this, the puts that we are tracking, as of now, it is 50,300 and 50,200. These are the two puts we are tracking as of now because पिछले 15 मिनट में हमने almost 500 पॉइंट की गिरावट देखी है. So I'll repeat, 50,300 put हम ट्रैक करें, 50,200 put we are tracking, 50,350, 50,400 is the hurdle zone for Bank Nifty. हमारा बाइस नेगेटिव है, नीचे में सपोर्ट आता है 50,150 का. इसी के साथ हम निफ्टी के बारे में बात करें, सो निफ्टी हैज बीन मोर पेन comparatively as compared to Bank Nifty. Nifty ने कल ब्रेकडाउन दिया 23,800 के नीचे, and today we have seen a one-way free flow downside movement towards 23,600, 23,700, 23,600, and currently also it is trading at days low. So clearly indicates करे कि bears की grip में भी market है, and every sell and bounce is being using as a shorting opportunity. So Nifty, Bank Nifty दोनों ही bear grip में है as of now. Nifty का immediate hurdle है 23,700 levels, ऊपर में 23,700 है, नीचे में सपोर्ट आता है 23,500, 23,450 जो 200 डेम है. So as today's Bank Nifty, we focus more on Bank Nifty. Yeah. So I think Anuj, we have already mentioned the strike that we have to keep it on radar. I think the strikes are clear: 50,300 put and 50,200 put.
200 put. Yes, sir. It's clear. We have mentioned, we have pinned it. It is visible for everyone.
Sure. Just the thing is, in last couple of minutes, we have seen a massive fall. So let us readjust and see what will be the favorable entry point for the put side. So we are just tracking the strikes also. कि कौन से लेवल पे हमें अटेम्प्ट करना है, या तो मोमेंटम को ही प्ले करना है तो विल गो अकॉर्डिंगली, और या तो थोड़े से बाउंस पे अगर अटेम्प्ट करना है सो विल सी दैट. सो एज ऑफ नाउ 50,400 इज द हर्डल जोन फॉर बैंक निफ्टी. 200 पॉइंट का मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि पिछले 10 मिनट में ही हमने 500 पॉइंट की गिरावट देखी है, एंड जनरली बैंक निफ्टी है जो अपनी वोलेटिलिटी के लिए जाना जाता है, जिसके लिए थोड़ी रेंज बड़ी है. नीचे में सपोर्ट है 50,000 का साइकोलॉजिकली. सो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट दी स्ट्रक्चर वाइज, इंडेक्स इज आल्सो स्पाइकिंग. हेवी वेट्स में एचडीएफसी बैंक एंड आईसीआईसीआई बैंक भी थोड़े कूल ऑफ हुए, जिसके वजह से हम सेलिंग प्रेशर देख रहे हैं बैंक निफ्टी में. सो ऑल इन ऑल वी आर ट्रैकिंग द स्ट्राइक, विल अपडेट की कौन से लेवल पे एंटर करना है, एंड विल सी कि कौन सा कंफर्ट में है, बिकॉज स्विंग्स काफी बड़े हैं. सो वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द सेटअप, and as soon as we'll get the setup, we'll update on it. In the meantime, Anuj, what we can do, we can take couple of stock queries in the meantime, and also we are looking at the strikes, कि कौन से strikes को play out करना है. So we'll see that, we'll review that, and then we'll update on it.
But do we have a BTST or should we wait till the end of the session?
Right now, what is happening across, if we see, there is tremendous selling across market. And if we see bearing hardly any few selective large caps, selective stocks across the market, there is seen selling pressure. So better to wait. We'll see अगर कोई comfort में रहेगा, कोई भी heavy weight या कोई setup wise अगर हमें अच्छा लगेगा तो हम definitely update करेंगे. Because we are also eager to share trades. But अगर setup नहीं बन रहा है तो हम जबरदस्ती buy की तरफ wait करेंगे. But definitely we'll update. जैसा market का next 15 minutes हम देखते हैं, उसको we'll try to play it out and then we'll update on it.
So let me just scroll up to the stock queries. The CDSL.
Yeah. Also, I just want to remind, parallelly we are tracking Bank Nifty put also. Last couple of minutes we have seen massive spike, so we are waiting for a good entry point. I'm repeating, guys, I'm waiting for a good entry point. So let us premium cool off little bit, and then we'll see and we'll revisit the banking trade. Coming back to stock CDSL, let me have a look at the chart. Relatively still exchanges, financial intermediaries, AMCs has been outperformer. If we see the weekly setup wise, stock is still trading in a range between 1350, 1380 to on the upper band 1480, 1520 levels. So I think अभी भी एक रेंज में ट्रेड कर रहा है. पोजिशनली बेसिस पे 1380 का एक मेजर सपोर्ट है, ऊपर में 1480, 1550 का हर्डल है. So as of now, setup wise कोई major pain में नहीं है. In spite of sharp correction in market, it is still holding at life high. So I think जब तक 1380 के ऊपर है, एक bias positive ही रहेगा. Upside में 1480, 1550 का hurdle.
And also, guys, I would like to mention this: कि tomorrow we have 3 sessions: the morning session, the afternoon session Nifty, and then we have our pre-crude oil expiry session. And परसों जो कि हमारी छुट्टी है, but on that day we will have a special session on crude oil. So we have 2 sessions tomorrow and day after tomorrow for commodity जो अभी scheduled होंगे, so don't forget to join that. And yes, छुट्टी वाले दिन जो हमारा स्टॉक मार्केट क्लोज है जिस दिन, we will have a commodity expiry at 6 p.m. on that day as well, because that is a global market. Next is sir Electra Green. Sir, you are on mute.
Yeah, just a minute. Let me have a look. Yeah, so if you see oral, just there's some technical issue. Electra Green, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if I see the oral chart setup wise, stock is in downtrend, range breakdown there. So I think level wise, immediate support is are coming down to be around 1122. Just let me have a look. I think there's some chart issue over here. Yeah, so 140, 138 is a major support zone for Electra. Upside hurdle is 150. So I think that is a pain point. So far, range breakdown the weekly scale base. So I think some cool off can be seen from current levels. ऊपर में 152 का hurdle zone है. Let's one more thing, Anuj. Before that, I'll just like to revisit to Bank Nifty trade first, because I think Bank Nifty में अच्छा momentum है, तो let's try to capture that momentum and try to capture that swing. So let me revisit the intraday chart once again, and there could be little bit alteration of strike prices because काफी बड़ा swings है. So let me have a look. Yeah, I think there's some technical issue. I'll just fix the chart. Just give me a minute. There's some technical glitch.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. So as we're discussing about Bank Nifty, and we have seen very good momentum in Bank Nifty. So let me revisit the strike prices that we have discussed. Initially, we discussed 50,300 and 50,200, if I'm not wrong, Bank Nifty. But right now, I think we need to revisit, and 50,200 put we are tracking. So guys, everyone just put up your trades, 50,200 put. That is the put we are tracking. 50,200 अभी चल रहा है 110 के around. So we are tracking this, and what we'll do, Anuj, couple of minutes we'll spend over here. We'll try to get entry over here, and then we'll move on to the stock coins.
Got it, sir. And guys, if you check the pin message, we already mentioned both the strikes, 50,300 put and 50,200 put. Right now, we are actively focusing on 50,200.
Yes, because the premium, the premium is also very important at which premium we enter. That's why we also have to keep that thing in mind. 50,200 का put अभी चल रहा है 120 के around. So let me have a look at the chart, and I'll just try to figure out what is premium. अभी चल रहा है 50,200 का premium चल रहा है around 125, 123, 115, and swings है काफी guys. So we have to be careful, but yeah, definitely as swing trend is a friend, so we'll try to play the momentum and try to play the swing. 50,200 का हम देख रहे हैं अभी 122 चल रहा है, and अभी spot चल रहा है around 50,130. So I think this is the put that is there on our radar, and we are looking for some comfort zone. ये जो put हम देख रहे हैं 50,200 का, अगर हमें 100 के लेवल के around मिलता है तो that would be definitely better. Or let us see what would be the good entry point. Because I'm going on the intraday charts, as this continuously it is forming lower highs, lower lows. Yeah. So I think there is total upward momentum, and I think we can go 50,200. Along with that, I think let's again another we have seen 100 points dip. So let's do one more shift. We will be able to do it. Then we'll try to play it out. Just put up on a screen 50,100. Yeah. So 50,100 is right now on 110 levels. 110 levels. I'll confirm again. 50,100 put is the put that we are tracking because there is huge swings. So 50,100 put अभी 110 के अराउंड चल रहा है. Guys, buy this put. आप स्टॉप लॉस रखिए 70 का. रिपीट 70 का स्टॉप लॉस रखिए. अभी 115 120 चल रहा है. 70 का आप स्टॉप लॉस रखिए. ऊपर में टारगेट 160 190 के लिए. I'll repeat 50,100 का पुट अभी चल रहा है 115, आपको रखना है स्टॉप लॉस इसका 70 का, ऊपर में टारगेट 160 180 के लिए.
So we are buying at what price?
So right now actually there is huge swings. So what, let's do one thing. There are very good swings we are seeing in Bank Nifty. 50,100 put, I'll revise the levels guys. अभी चल रहा है 102 and we are waiting for some cool off. So I think this is a good entry point. Between 95 to 105 we can enter because काफी बड़े swings हम देख रहे हैं. So 90 से 90 से 100, अभी हम 130 देख रहे थे, 130 वाला 103 हो गया है. So I think what we can do is 50,100 put हम देख रहे हैं, अभी चल रहा है 99. So I think between 90 to 100. And as you're talking, see, and this is the flow. So
stop loss will be 70 or will that be revised as well?
That will be revised because we are seeing huge swings. So if the trade is already initiated, guys, उसमें आप 70 का SL रखिए. अगर ट्रेड इनिशिएट नहीं हुआ है तो बेटर टू रिवाइज, बिकॉज देखिए वापस 70 वाला 90 हो गए.
What will be the stop loss?
Yeah, so the revised stop loss would be 55 level for 50,100 put.
I'm just repeating, Bank Nifty 50,100 put, buying will be 90 to 100, stop loss 55, target 160 to 190.
Yes, this is the update target because we have seen good swings in Bank Nifty in last couple of minutes here. And now again it's 100 to 130, and that is the kind of jump we are seeing. And when we know that it's a weekly expiry and market is totally downtrend, this is the swing that we have seen. It's massive. But yeah, 50,100 we have already mentioned. Initially we mentioned, but now we have revised at levels. 90 to 100 is the buying range. Stop loss रहेगा 55 का, ऊपर में 160 190 के टारगेट.
So we are getting message booked 77 to 125. Congratulations, guys, if you have booked. And it's great to see people are churning and booking partial profits on their own.
Yes, because the swings are so fast and so quick that before we say the premiums are just jumping around. So guys, as we are seeing the trend is negative and you have to play through the put side itself. So definitely please keep churning also, and also please maintain your risk management. That is very, very important. जो स्टॉप लॉस हमने लेवल बोला है प्लीज उसको हम मेंटेन करना, बिकॉज वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड गाइस कीप चर्निंग इट बिकॉज स्विंग्स काफी है. वो आप देख ही रहे हो कि कैसे प्रीमियम स्विंग हो रहे हैं. 85 वाला 105, फिर 85, फिर 130, फिर अभी 102. एंड दिस इज हाउ द स्विंग्स हैज बीन इन लास्ट कपल ऑफ मिनट्स.
Guys, we are tracking the trade right now, so we are not taking any stock queries.
Yeah, because good swings are there, so at least guys try to make the most of it. Generally expiries on Bank Nifty are generally dull in last couple of months, but today has been one of the good swings day since morning में हमने एक अच्छा मूव कैप्चर किया था, उसके बाद साइडवेज हो गया था, एंड लास्ट 15-20 मिनट्स में एक मैसिव फॉल हमने देखा बैंक निफ्टी में ऑलमोस्ट ऑफ 600 points in last couple of minutes itself. And this is the nature of Bank Nifty as we all know. So the put that is जो हमने recommend किया था अभी 100 के अराउंड चल रहा है, ऊपर गया था 120, फिर नीचे 85 भी गया है, and वो range play out होती जा रही है. So guys please keep on churning it, and important to follow risk management.
Again bought at 90, sold at 102.
Keep doing it. That would be the best way to play out such volatile swings.
And I guess sir जो हमारा 70 का stop loss जो हमने पहले बताया था, I guess वो भी hit नहीं हुआ है अभी, right?
नहीं हुआ था, but yeah, it just made a low of 72 and it got rebounded. But at least because of the volatility, we shifted because there are huge swings. So that's why we want to play the move also. But हाँ, hit नहीं हुआ था. That is luckily better for us. But still, at least again 120, 170, 120, and this is the swings that we are getting. So guys, please make the most of it. As we are heading closing to the Bank Nifty weekly expiry, and we'll just now focus on the monthly options for Bank Nifty going forward.
And guys, जिनका 70 का stop loss अभी भी है कि they can revise it to 55 as suggested, And also, guys, please keep booking partial profits because it again made a high of 122, I guess.
Yes, 120, again 100, then again 108, and this has been the swing in last 15-20 minutes, because already you have churned two strikes. As we were discussing, we have rotated two strikes that clearly indicates there is good momentum, and we have to make the most of it.
इन्होंने 90 100 पे बाय किया था. It's trading at 121 26 right now. Guys, keep churning and keep trailing a stop loss.
Nitro is, I think, around 123, 124. Yeah, at blink of the eye, the premiums are moving very quick. So guys, 100 wala bhi 123 hua hai.
I hope you all are booking profits, guys. It will be great if you can write in the comment section.
Yeah, again 122 move has been 91, and this is the move that we are playing. So please churning it, guys. Please keep on churning it. We are getting very good swings, so please make the most of it.
Mokshri, I'm not sure how did you book losses. Please ensure you trade as per suggested by your expert. Correct, Mayurji. Very wide swings today. I guess after a long time we are seeing these kinds of swings in Bank Nifty.
Yeah, as we already discussed in the start of the session, this is the last weekly, and we have seen that ferocious instrument back to its territory, which is Bank Nifty is known for. So that call, that put move from 130 and now it's 60. Stop loss हमारा 55 है guys, वो आप ध्यान रखना. वो hit हुआ है just, अभी just hit हुआ है, so better to exit whatever positions you're carrying. Better to exit that trade. 55 हमारा SL है, अभी 45 चल रहा है. So we are seeing very good swings in Bank Nifty trade.
We hope everyone has churned and booked some profits in the today's Bank Nifty expiry, guys. And sir, it will be great if you can share the BTST.
Yeah. So if we see generally whenever such market is there, so ideally we stick to heavyweights. And if we see overall also very selective stocks have seen good momentum. Within that also, if we see telecom, the telecom Bharti has been relatively a stable counter. And generally in such market, it's always advisable to avoid mid cap and high beta counters. So definitely Bharti Airtel, I think from here on, from where the rally started around 1560, 1550 levels and moved towards 1750. From there on, we have seen a good correction. So Bharti Airtel would be a good bet at current levels. In spite of market weakness, it is still trading flat. So Bharti Airtel, one can go long between 1550 to 1552 levels. Stop loss आपको रखना है 1520 का, ऊपर में 1580 और 1600 के लिए भारतीय एयरटेल रुपया BTST आइडिया.
So can you repeat the levels once again for Bharti Airtel?
तो 1554 अभी चल रहा है भारतीय, आप 1550 के रेंज में बाय कर सकते हैं. 1525 का आपको स्टॉप लॉस रखना है, ऊपर में 1580 और फिर 1605 के लेवल के लिए आप बाय कर सकते हैं भारतीय एयरटेल. And we are why we are sticking to the large cap, because if you see the market breadth, it is in great pain. Mid cap, small cap, large cap, all are in tremendous pain, that we can clearly see the screen also. So in such days, we have to protect our capital. We have to be a little bit selective. We have to be on a little bit back foot if we are on the buy side. But as put side में हमने देखा कि index में अच्छे moves भी मिले, 2-3 बार churning भी हुई, but at the end it got hit. But still we have tried to play some swings because volatility काफी है, and that is a part and parcel of the index. Going forward, tomorrow we'll have Nifty and Sensex expiry because Friday is a holiday. And as closing on to that, Bank Nifty, this is the last weekly contract for Bank Nifty people. It's very important. Obviously, it's a very different thing that will going to happen from next week onwards. So we'll start focusing on monthly option strategies, and likewise. So we'll always be there for you guys. Today, Bank Nifty has shown its really true momentum, known for its original instrument, and that he has done. So our Bank Nifty trade is already closed out. That was stopped out. उसके पहले काफी churning हुए. एक BTST आइडिया हमने दिया भारतीय एयरटेल, and I think Anuj you have mentioned the levels, right?
Correct. We have already mentioned it. We have pinned
Yeah.
it. Bharti Airtel buying at the CMP 1550, stop loss 1525, and the target volume 1580 and 1600.
Yes, perfect. And guys, such other times generally market is very volatile, so don't panic. Try to reduce leverage. That is the only thing that is from our side. Invest in quality companies. That would be the better thing. Try to avoid leverage. Try to go against the trend, and please follow stop losses. In the long term, it will definitely help you out. It'll help you guys, because such market is a part and parcel. हमने अच्छी तेजी भी देखी थी पिछले 1-1.5 साल में, तो ये थोड़े phases है जो हमने play out करने पड़ेंगे, but that is the nature of the market. We can take a couple of more stock queries, Anuj, in the meantime, and then I think accordingly we can.
But I guess there's something that I would like to announce and share. So I guess the last 2 minutes I'll be taking up.
Oh, sure, definitely.
It will be great if you can stop your screen share and let me share my screen.
Sure. Just a second.
Thanks a lot for that, sir. So guys, जैसा कि सर ने बताया, and we all know कि next week से हमारे जो sessions हैं from 10 sessions every week will be reduced. So we are planning few things around that, and it will be great अगर आप उसमें हमारी help कर सकें. We are planning some knowledge sessions as well. So in Stockholm under Learning Corner, I have made this post 5 hours back. It will be great अगर आप मुझे बता सके which session do you want us to cover. It could be anything from SIP, mutual funds, insurance to option strategies, specific indicators, and if you have any specific expert in mind कि किससे सीखना है कि अर्पित सर से we want to learn this, Dev sir से we want to learn this, we need Chandan sir to teach us this. It will be great अगर आप यहाँ पे comment में डाल सके. According to that, we will be planning. And also we have 2 sessions around commodity in the next 2 days. So please ensure कि आप वो attend करें. Commodity has been pretty good, and even as we mentioned in our Diwali session, the future scope and the growth gold, silver, and crude is gonna see. So that will be all for the day. Thanks a lot everyone for joining in. Thanks a lot Arpit sir for helping us book some profits on the last day of Bank Nifty. Thank you everyone.
Thank you all.